Hi, our story for the day is The Wise Parrot. So, in a dense forest lived a flock of parrots, and they used to fly every day and used to find food for themselves. And when there was a sunset, they used to come back to their homes. That flock of parrots had a wise parrot who was old, and everybody respected and loved him. So now what happened? One day when the parrots were flying, they did not find any food anywhere. And then the parrots were very hungry. But while flying, they saw on the ground so much of rice, so many fruits, and so many nuts on the ground. The parrot said, "Wow, we've got so much of food. Let's go down and eat it." But the wise parrot said, "No, I think this is a trap. Wait and watch." But these hungry parrots did not listen to him at all, and they just landed on the ground and started eating. And then the same thing happened. As was said by the wise parrot, the pigeons got trapped because there was a net on the ground which was laid by the hunter. But the wise parrot was on the tree. He was watching, and then he realized that all the parrots are trapped. So the wise parrot said, "Hey, all of you, stop moving here and there and try to flap your wings and fly high in one direction." So all these parrots thought we should listen to this white parrot, and they flew with their net, and they took away the hunter's net with them. The hunter was aghast, and he thought, "Oh my God, what are these parrots doing? Where are they taking my net?" And that is how the parrots moved together. They flapped and flew together and reached where? They reached a place where a mouse used to live. The wise parrot had guided them to the mouse. And the wise parrot said, "Hey, Mr. Mouse, can you please help my friends and use your sharp teeth to bite the net?" The mouse said, "Of course, my dear friend, wise parrot, of course." And the mouse bit the entire net. And the parrots were released eventually. So, dear friends, the old wise parrot said to the flock of parrots, "You all are saved because you were united, because unity is strength. So stay united and you will win." If you like the story, please like, comment, share and subscribe the Story Queen. Thank you.